Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today I'm going to show you how to correct a lateral S using what I call the Stretchy T method. But first, let's talk about what a lateral S is. A lateral S is sometimes also called a lateral lisp, and it refers to how someone says the S sound. A lateral S sounds like this, instead of the correct way to say an S, which sounds like this. During production of a lateral S, the center of the tongue is lifted and the sides are down. This allows air to escape over the sides of the tongue and into the cheeks. That makes the sound slushy, spitty, and wet. Like that. A correct S is produced with the sides of the tongue lifted. The blade of the tongue almost touches the alveolar ridge, and air flows straight down the center of the tongue and out the mouth, like this. If you want to learn more about the S sound in greater detail, I have another video you can check out. Okay, so let's look side by side at tongue position for the lateral S and the correct S. You can see that the lateral S has air flowing over the sides of the tongue, and the correct S has air flowing down the middle. You can see that tongue position and airflow are both important for making a correct S. Now that you know what we're trying to correct, let's jump into the Stretchy T method. For this method, you're going to start by saying your T sound. T. You say your T sound now. Good. When you say your T sound, notice that the sides of your tongue are lifted. The tip of your tongue comes up to touch the bumps right behind your front teeth, the alveolar ridge. When you release the burst of air for your T sound, your tongue tip drops a little bit, t, and air flows straight out. Now say your T sound a few times in a row. I'll do it first, and you do it after me. T, 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 t. You try. Perfect. Now you're ready to say a new sound called Stretchy T. You're going to make your T sound, but you're going to release more air, making it sound stretched out. It's going to sound like this. This can be easier to do if you say the T sound a few times first and then the Stretchy T. So it sounds like this. Now I want you to practice Stretchy T. I want you to say the T sound 3 times and then say the Stretchy T sound. I'll put visuals on the screen. If you want to practice multiple times, just pause the video and look at the visuals while you practice. How did you do? Now I want you to say Stretchy T all by itself. I want you to do this several times. I'll put visuals back on the screen for you. Great work! Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret. If you haven't figured it out already, the Stretchy T turns into the S sound. Listen. See how I turned that Stretchy T right into an S sound? The Stretchy T and a correct S both have the sides of the tongue lifted and air flowing straight down the center of the tongue. A great way to practice this is to say words that end in ts. So I'm going to put some words on the screen for you and you say them after me. You ready? Cats. Bats. Hats. How did you do? And that's it. I hope this video helped you achieve a clear S sound. The Stretchy T method is one of my favorite ways to correct a lateral S and turn it into a clear S. This method is featured in my Lateral S toolkit, which is free, and also my book, I Can Say the S Sound. You can get both of these things at peachiespeechy.com, along with cute t-shirts and mugs and all kinds of things. So check all of that out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Peachie Speechie. I post pretty much daily tips and tricks and different cute things related to speech therapy. Thanks for watching. Bye!